Yeah, ways to become successful in life. So if you want to be successful in life, there is about three things that you need to understand. The first thing is you need to understand what is money itself. You need to understand what is money itself. You need to know money is equivalent to like value that you provide. So when when you don't provide anything, you are not going to get any money. It's just like in normal way. When you didn't work, you're not going to get paid. That's how it goes. That's the first thing that you need to understand. You need to understand that money is equivalent to like service provide. That's what you just need to know. If you provide a service, then you are going to be paid in return, and that's what you need to succeed in life. The second thing is never envy. Never envy. If you see a rich people, don't envy. The only thing is study them. Ask them, even if you can come closer to them. If you come closer to them, try to ask them how do you make the money. Try to understand how did they make the money so that you can also implement it. Don't go like most of people. The only thing that they could do is if they come, the only thing is just to beg for the money. As you are begging for it, ask yourself, this thing is just one-time gain. And the probability of the person even giving it out to you or not is actually 50-50. You can beg and the person will say there is no money. It doesn't mean that the person is not having money. The person doesn't want to give it to you. You see that maybe you're not serious. If you are serious, you should have been asking, how do you make the money so that I can also learn it to implement it and also make the same money. Let's say instead of you to ask, how do you plant fruit, and you are begging for fruit, then okay, if you eat it and finish, you now know that it's sweet. Why are you going to get it again? Learn how to like approach people, those who are successful, approach them in a manner that you can also get something out of that. Not something within a short period of time you have just beg for it and you went there, you go and spend, and that's all. Let's say you even beg and they give you just some small amount, something that will not even help you. But knowledge is power. When you have the knowledge, you can implement it and on any field, and it's going to work for you. So the third thing that you need to do or you need to know to become successful is you need to have a service. You need to have service to sell before you can become successful in life. What did I mean by services? You need to provide something, provide value. So when you provide value, then you are going to get money in return. It's just the same thing. If I'm having a problem and you solve it, then you're going to get something in return. So if I say maybe I'm having this issue and you solve it for me, then I need to give you something in return for that. So you need to make sure you take any opportunity that comes your way. If you see opportunity, make sure you take care of it. And yesterday I was even watching one video. That was a YouTuber. He said he makes £700 a month. £700, not dollars. £700. That's equivalent to 48 million in Ghana cedis. That's about 48 million in Ghana cedis. And when I look at it, he was saying he's a lifestyle. He just see a lifestyle. He's just here lifestyle, and he's just sometimes beauty like product. He just do beauty product reviews, and she was saying that she makes £700. So I converted to cedis and I see that was about 84 million. And I look at I see actually which worker in Ghana would they even pay 84 million a month? So make sure you take use of any opportunity that comes your way. Provide a service. If you can open a YouTube channel, open. If it's Facebook page, open Facebook page, not Facebook profile, because they're not paying Facebook profiles for now. The only pages that they pay is Facebook pages. And you can, if you're also having Instagram account, then you can also convert it to creator. They're having a place where you can convert it to be a creator. So you convert it to creator, and when you reach some threshold, so they will start to pay you. So you need to put a lot of work. Don't create a page today or create a YouTube channel today and expect money to come. It's not going to be possible, and you need a lot of patience and time. So you need to be consistent in whatever you do. There is a lot of work in it, and when you succeed, you are going to you're going to just one step ahead. After you break that step, everything is going to be easy for you. That's how it goes. So make sure you make use of any opportunity that comes your way. That's what I can tell you. So these are the things that you need to do when you want to become successful in life. So guys, thank you for watching, and don't forget to follow the page for more tips like this, especially things related to finance, ideas that can make you money online and offline. So I see everything on this page. So make sure you follow the page for more tips like this. So bye bye for now.